In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free GetResponse account. Whether you're new to email marketing or simply looking for a reliable platform to manage your communications, GetResponse might just be the tool you need. Let's dive right in and get you started on this journey. First, let's open up your web browser and navigate to Google. This might seem simple, but using Google is a quick and easy way to find GetResponse, especially if you're not entirely sure of the URL. Once you're on the Google homepage, go ahead and type GetResponse into the search bar. Hit enter and you'll see a list of search results. What you're looking for here is the official GetResponse website. It should be among the first couple of links that appear in your search results. Go ahead and click on this link. You'll want to make sure you're on their actual site to ensure your information is kept confidential and you're getting the real deal. Now that you're on the GetResponse homepage, look for a button that says Start Free Trial. This should be prominently displayed on the page, usually near the top. Clicking on it will take you to the account creation page. Here's where you'll need to input some basic information to get started. You'll see fields to enter your name, email, and a password. Make sure you choose a secure and memorable password, as this will protect your account. Double check your email address too, as this is where they'll send any important communications. After you've entered all your details, the next step is to click the button that says Create Free Account. This will send your information to GetResponse, and in just a few seconds, you'll be stepping into their user interface. For this demonstration, we'll use Google to streamline the process. So, on the next screen, when prompted, click on the option to sign up with Google. This is a great way to save time because it uses your existing Google account information to set up your GetResponse account. When you click on the Google option, you'll be asked to select or confirm which Google account you want to link with GetResponse. After selecting your account, Google will handle the authentication and you'll be directed back to GetResponse. Now, you're all set. Congratulations, you have a brand new GetResponse account, and you're now ready to start exploring all the features and possibilities that come with it. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you find GetResponse to be a worthwhile tool for your needs. Feel free to ask any questions or reach out for more tutorials. Happy emailing!